Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Public Accounts Committee kum ka committee trekam jong yeng dorbar thau an ke jela haga laitrek ubnai naitung arjar arpho kala batha ya katanat garep karyang jong ka sarkar jela bagadei ban prolong ya jing tokit ke babnia halor ka jing hiar seba palat ka jing rep yo reu hadam haga thain ribhoi bar ha East Khas Hills district udkhot jong ka PAC uba Himalaya Shangpliang haga jing ekran bat kilat pathai kubor ulai thu ru bagatanat garep karyang kala pensngau hakmat ka committee bakala sange ru ban thiet ya ka dawai sebo nrei la penslur pat ya ginong rep bakin rep ya ki jingthung da ka panon kam da ka sebo ej masi khnang baki jingthung kin san kin plung klem da ka dawai.
Also again we discuss about the maize cultivation. Now there is a scheme called development of maize through cluster approach. There is a sharp decline of production in Ribhoi district. There is a sharp decline in West Garo Hills district, and also a decline by 30% in East Khas Hills district. We have asked the department to conduct a study and to submit a report to the committee as to what made the decline so sharp when maize is a prime crop of the state, particularly in these three districts. And then we also have discussed matters relating to the markets. We discussed relating to the fertilizer distribution. So the department says that they have stopped the production of or the purchase of fertilizers, and no fertilizers are issued nor distributed to the farmers. But they have not gone in a big way to substitute the farmers with other kind of manure. But this committee had brought it to the knowledge of the officers that the fertilizers are still available in the market, and our farmers are still using fertilizers, for which they have accepted the fact that yes, farmers are still. Therefore, this committee has asked the department to implement the act, the law that is prevalent, which is a central act, for which fertilizers have been banned, which have been directed not to use fertilizers, and therefore the department has been asked to take strict action to ensure that fertilizers are not sold anymore in the open market. We said that the farmers do not have a good market for their products. During the lockdown, we have noticed the great trouble and the hardships that the farmers have faced in looking for an opportunity or an avenue to market their products. Although it was assured by the government that some markets would be open, and therefore we have asked the department to ensure that these markets are open at the earliest. The department had also mentioned that some lay-by markets have already been in place, like in Nongpo and Gulongar as well. But we want that these markets, more markets should be open, particularly when now the Yeo Dilang in Yodo, where it is a wholesale market for the farmers, have been closed. We need to provide a good space and good place for the farmers to sell their products. In this regard, the committee has also decided to conduct an inspection of the regulated market in Maoyong very soon. It has been reported to the committee that not too many farmers are given an opportunity or a space in this regulated market in Maoyong. This market in Maoyong is filled with broomstick and tejpata, and therefore our other farmers who want to come and sell other kinds of crops do not find a place there. Therefore, this committee will also conduct an inspection for that in this regard very soon.